We are here today on the F-250 2012 model here. I'll show you what we got going on as we are already finishing up. So right here what we got, we're installing a S-Joybring Amazon brand radio equipped with the backup camera and removing the old one out the way. So we got our stuff wired up. Now what I like to do is I like to test it out first all the time. So what I'm gonna do is, you see it's off, we'll go ahead and turn it on so we know that the radio is gonna work. Alright, and we want to make sure that our backup camera works. Throw it in reverse. Backup camera is working. Now it doesn't look that bad, it's the screen. There he is. Okay, so I'll show you a little bit what we did. We ran the backup camera wires throughout here. We came underneath here, and you see here, we fished her down that area, bring her underneath the truck, and we got the camera mounted right there on the back. As you can see, she's mounted right there. So the only thing that we need to do left is tidy up the wires. I got the wires kind of hanging here. All we had to do is tap into a reverse light, which is what we did right in this area, and everything's working good. We can tidy it up. So make sure y'all get with us. As you can see, we're still out here at nighttime, getting to it. Pure Mobile Repair Service, we can get you right.